Step 1. Remove the plastic cap from the spring boring head. Loosen the thumb screw carefully. Slowly hand feed the spring boring head down into the drain until you hit the clog. Tighten the thumb screw. Step 2. Attach a standard power drill to the connection point on the drum auger. Using a drill can really save time and effort, especially if you have frequent drain clogs that need to be cleared. Grip with one hand while controlling the attached drill with the other hand. Apply slight forward pressure until the boring head is through the clog. You may need to pull the cable out slightly and push it back down past the clog a few times. If you don't have a power drill handy, you can also operate the auger by holding the grip with one hand while rotating the drum with the other hand. Step 3. When you have successfully cleared the clog, slowly remove the cable from the drain. Do not wind it back into the drum yet. Step 4. Remove debris from the cable and spring boring head and discard in the garbage. Step 5. After the debris has been removed and discarded, wash the cable and spring boring head. Let the auger air dry after washing. Then, oil the cable before storing. Step 6. To store, loosen the thumb screw and hand feed the cable slowly back into the drum. Tighten the thumb screw. Place the plastic cap back on the spring boring head and store.